Want to unlink Instagram from your Facebook profile using your iPhone? Here is a quick step-by-step guide to managing your connected social accounts. First, open the Facebook app. Tap the profile menu icon at the bottom right corner. Tap on your name to enter your profile, and tap on Edit Profile next to Add to Story. Next, scroll all the way down to the bottom and tap Edit next to Links. Tap on your linked Instagram account to open its settings. Finally, tap Remove Link and confirm your choice, and you are all set. And that is how you unlink Instagram from Facebook using your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.